Hello partner, e-commerce content marketing strategy. Now this video is going to give you a complete layout on how you can use content marketing to blow your e-com store. So here we go. Number one, I want you to stop selling and start giving value for long term. Especially you will be able to generate organic traffic when you're giving massive value through your content. So that's the reason why content marketing is pretty important, and your content must revolve around your core compelling offer. Your core compelling offer is the most important element when it comes to your content marketing. Now, what the hell is core compelling offer? You really have to understand core compelling offer in order for you to excel in your content marketing. Now, before we jump in, I want you to subscribe and hit the bell button thingy. And my name is Mohanji. I'm the co-founder of J Media. I'm helping ordinary people to start and grow extraordinary e-com businesses. Let's go. Let's jump in. Number one, identify your core compelling offer. How to identify that? Because your core compelling offer is not about you, it's about your audience, and it's about the benefit for your customers. So you really have to understand who are your customers. So you have to understand your core audience. Who are they? And by identifying them, by knowing, oh, these are the people that I'm serving, you have to craft your offer by dividing into 4 different elements. First part is the problem. You have to identify what problem are you trying to solve, and second thing, what is the solution that you are offering for the problem, and third thing, what guarantee are you giving that you can solve better than your competition, and number 4, what's the call to action, the strong call to action that will initiate them to click the link to learn more about your business, to understand more. So what are those? And these are the things that you really have to craft, each and every single one of them, and you have to craft your content around each element of a compelling offer. Like for example, one content can talk about the problem, can scratch the itch about it, and second can talk about the solution, and third you can talk about the guarantee that you are offering, and fourth they can come out with the call to action, initiate them to jump in and take action. So that's the first part. Now second part, what is the major problem that you are tackling? You have to understand what is the problem that you're solving for them, and you have to talk about the problem to initiate discussion. Do not be afraid about that. You have to use different angles and scenarios. You have to be creative about it, and you must be able to connect with them through your content by using this problem identification. And you can literally use memes. Actually, they are pretty fun, and you can have fun with your content marketing. Don't be too serious. And for example, you can be like, yeah, me too, I had the same issues. So give that kind of a human feeling through your brand. That's what you must do, and you have to be stop being too salesy or stop being too professional. Be extremely human, because the goal of content marketing is literally to build a community. You're building a brand, you're building a followers, you're building community, and by building this powerful community you will have consistent stream of organic traffic. This is the whole idea of content marketing, but that's not all. You have more. There's a lot to be accomplished with this content marketing, but this is a brief idea that you have to understand, especially with these 4 elements that I talked about, which is the problem that you have to solve, and the solution that you're offering to your audience, the guarantee that you're going to give, and the call to action. Now with these things alone, you will boost your content marketing for your e-com store. And if you want more, I can help you to scale your e-com store to 6 figures monthly, and there's a link in the description. Click the link in the description and you can schedule a strategy session with me. So I'll see you soon, partner.